So one of the major concerns in social media today is obviously privacy. Privacy and people stealing your content. Those are two of the most concerning factors that surround social media right now. But it seems like there's a new player in the game right now. And I've been doing a little bit of research about this. I gave this a little bit of time, and I wanted to check it out and see what it's all about. This company, Eqoflow, is a new social media platform that is backed by the blockchain. Privacy and ownership of your content seem to be the two major components here. And for those of us that have social media, that's a no-brainer. Now, one thing I do know is social media. What I don't know is crypto. Have I dabbled in crypto? Yes. Do I understand it outside of the whole buy it, sell it? Not really, no. So I did do a little research to help myself and you hopefully understand it a little bit more. Now, I was going through the sign-up process of getting onto Eqoflow, and I came across the Eqoflow Declaration. And this is when you're signing all the terms and agreements. It says, building the future of decentralized social networks. It's like their vision, what they want you to take away from this, what they want you to understand about it. So what I'd like to do is I would like to go over this with you before we deep dive into what the page looks like and uploading and all that kind of stuff. So let's take a look at this. The Eqoflow Declaration, building the future of decentralized social networks. Our vision. Eqoflow represents a new paradigm in social networking, one built on principles of decentralization, user empowerment, and authentic community building. We believe that the future of social media should be owned and controlled by its users, not by centralized corporations seeking to extract value from personal data and attention. Personal data. This company does not want to sell your shit. They want to make sure that you have a great experience without the fear of them turning around and selling your email, selling your phone number. So you end up getting spam emails and spam phone calls. User ownership and control. Every user maintains true ownership of their content, data, and digital identity. Your creative work belongs to you, and you decide how it's shared and monetized. Fair value distribution. Creators and active community members should be rewarded for their contributions. Our tokenized ecosystem ensures that value flows directly to those who create, engage, and build the platform, as it should be. Transparent governance. Platform decisions are made collectively through decentralized governance mechanisms. Token holders have a voice in shaping the future of Eqoflow through democratic processes. Pause. Explain to me what is decentralized governance mechanisms.
Sure thing. So decentralized governance is basically a fancy way of saying that instead of one central authority calling all the shots, a whole bunch of people get to have a say in how things run. Think of it like a group project where everyone actually gets a vote on decisions instead of one person just telling everyone what to do. In a lot of these decentralized setups, like Satan blockchain projects or decentralized apps, people who hold tokens or who are part of the network get to vote on changes, rules, or new features.
Privacy by design. Your privacy is not a product to be sold. We implement privacy-preserving technologies and give you full control over your personal information. This is key here, guys. Your personal information is yours, not to be spread around like a fart in the wind. Authentic community. We foster genuine connections and meaningful conversations. Our algorithms prioritize engagement, quality over quantity. I'm looking at you, TikTok. Quality over quantity. What do they constantly tell you when you're posting to TikTok? You got to post once, twice, 3, 50 times a day. You got to be consistent. If you're going to post this many this day, you better be posting that same amount or not, if not more, the next day. Well, some of us that work full-time jobs do not have time to post that many times in one day. have things to do. So quantity over quality. God, that's a breath of fresh air. Promoting healthy discourse and community building. Okay, moving on. The Eqoflow ecosystem. Eqoflow is more than a social platform. It's a comprehensive ecosystem featuring social fabric. Connect, share, and engage with like-minded individuals. Creator economy. Monetize your skills, content, and expertise. Skills marketplace. Buy and sell services within the community. Okay, live streaming, broadcast, and interact in real time. We like that. NFT integration, showcase and trade digital collectibles. Guys, I still don't really understand NFT. Comment in the comment section. Help me understand it. Explain it to me. Talk to me like a dum-dum, because I am one. DAO governance, participate in platform decision making, which is what we just got done talking to ChatGPT about. It sounds fantastic. Virtual spaces, meet and collaborate in immersive environments. Commitment to innovation. We're committed to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in social technology through continuous research and development. We integrate cutting-edge innovations, including AI-powered content discovery and moderation. We could see how that works. TikTok does it, and we know how that goes down. Hopefully, this is better. Blockchain technology for transparency and ownership. This is where I was confused. I said, if you're not trading it, what does it have to do with a social media platform? And by God, ChatGPT. All right, buckle up. So when you hear people say crypto or blockchain, they usually think trading coins or complicated stuff like that. That's not what is happening here with Eqoflow. With Eqoflow, crypto is basically just the background tech that proves something is yours. What happens when you post on Eqoflow? When you upload a piece of content to Eqoflow, you're not just posting it like Instagram or YouTube. You're also stamping it. The stamp is like a digital receipt that says this content existed, this is who made it, this is the exact time it was created. Once that stamp is made, it gets locked in. Where blockchain comes in, instead of storing the proof on one company's server, Eqoflow puts it on the blockchain. Think of the blockchain like a public, unchangeable record. Once something is written there, it cannot be edited, it cannot be deleted. Nobody can mess with it later. Not Eqoflow, not another platform, not anyone. The important part, your content isn't public. Your actual video, image, or audio is not posted on the blockchain. Only a fingerprint of the content gets stored. It's basically a math-based ID that proves the content existed without showing the content itself. So you're not leaking your work or giving it away. Now, why this is useful. If someone steals your content and reposts it, you don't just say, I made this. You can prove it, okay? If a platform questions ownership, you have a time-stamped record. If a brand asks if something is original, you've got receipts. That's the real value here. But do I need to know crypto? No. You're not trading anything. You're not investing. You're not watching charts. Crypto is just what powers the system behind the scenes. Eqoflow handles that part so creators don't have to. You use it like normal platform. The protection just happens automatically. You don't need to understand the crypto. So don't be confused, people. So, if you need a simple breakdown of social media platforms are places you hang your art, Eqoflow is the place that proves you painted it first. Eqoflow is built on mutual respect and authentic engagement. We expect all community members to treat others with respect and dignity, share authentic original content, engage constructively in discussion, respect intellectual property rights, report harmful or inappropriate behavior, and contribute positively to the ecosystem. So every interaction earns you engagement points. Vote on features, policies, and platform direction. Let's continue. Wait. To kickstart your journey in the Eqoflow system, you'll receive 1,000 Eqoflow token bonus upon completion of this onboarding. So this is very reminiscent of Twitter or X. Obviously, I haven't done anything on here yet, so the algorithm doesn't know me or know what I like. So we're just getting a lot of random things. But This is a very clean platform. This is very clean. I like the aesthetic of this. Everything's running smoothly so far. Let's go to discovery. So, holy cow, what is... Are these all users? This is cool. Confidential connection engine? Your privacy is guaranteed. Private interest and encrypted and never revealed. Matches are computing using secure multi-party computation. Only mutual connections are shown, and neither party learns the other specific interests unless they match. What? Interesting. All in all, this looks like a very clean platform. The aesthetic is very pleasing. I like how it focuses on privacy and focuses on how your content is yours and remains yours even when you go to post to other platforms. This is definitely something I'm going to be setting up, and I'm going to be giving it a good run through, and then I'll make another video coming back to it and let you guys know my thoughts on it. This might just be the future of social media. Guys, comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this. Let me know if you're going to try it out. If you are, put your username down below and I'll add you so we can link up on there. Until then, guys, thank you so much for watching the video, and I will catch you in the next one.